Hey, welcome to the Paige Family Homestead. I'm Andy, and that's Peggy behind the counter.
Behind what?
Behind the counter, behind the camera, I meant. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing a series on jerkies. One a month, different types of jerkies, even fish jerkies and chicken jerky. But today we're doing a beef jerky. So what I'm going through is on the dehydrating book. Bible.
The Dehydrator Bible.
Yes, and this jerky is on page, what was it, 79, Peggy?
74?
Oh, 74, yes. Smoked lemon pepper jerky. To die for.
Well, we don't know.
I don't know, but I will. Find out. You come along for the ride.
They use a different technique than we
Yeah.
normally do. This is cool.
Yeah, so we are using a bit of different. We're gonna modify it, not really modify it a lot. We're gonna put something else in it.
Sweet paprika we didn't have.
Yes, there was a sweet paprika.
So
I
we
don't have that,
substituted with.
We substituted with we put a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper in there, so that gives it the heat that we need, that we wanted. So I've got round roast here, meat, which I've had in the freezer for 30 minutes, because you want it firm, not wobbly. And then I'm going to slice it as well, and we're going to make our brine to go with it. So, and like I said, this is going to be a series, so one a month, so a different jerky all the time, once a month. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it into 1/4 inch. I've got 1 pound here of meat, by the way. And that's all I need for the month, 1 pound. So I'm going to cut it into sections.
Well, no, you'd like about 10 pounds for the month.
But I mean, yeah, but then it got all one type. So this way I've got a pound, I can eat a pound of different types. Okay, so now we're going to make our brine, and it needs the juice of a whole lemon. Just squeeze that in. Whoa! See that? Whoa! Do the same one again. Spin it around a bit. Makes a difference, eh?
I turn it upside down too.
Yeah, okay, good one.
There you go. That's going to be a tasty jerky.
Oh yeah.
So you're doing the juice of a whole lemon?
Yep.
They were small too, eh?
Yeah, they're not very big, yeah.
No.
Look at that. Okay. I'll flip it upside down.
The book called for what? A couple teaspoons of lemon juice?
Tablespoons.
Tablespoons. So that's about equivalent.
Tablespoon, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's done.
Give or take, eh? To care?
Yeah. Okay. And now, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika. Sweet!
I don't know if we have sweet paprika, but we've got
smoked.
And they did ask for smoked paprika.
Yeah. Sweet smoked paprika, but we got not sweet.
We have the smoked. So you were going to use the cayenne pepper.
That's right, yeah, 1/4.
That was their tip on the sidebar of the book.
Yep. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. And then I'll put the other in. Uh-oh.
What?
The hand was going to start to shake again.
Perfect timing for right over the bowl.
Oh, really?
Oh no, we're in with your Andy cap again.
Now I'm going to put a 1/4 teaspoon, a quarter
A quarter
of cayenne pepper pepper. A slip of the tongue's no fault of the mind. Sorry. Okay, and now 1 teaspoon of hot, sweaty, sweet. I think I already did that. Paprika, or 5 mils. 1 teaspoon freshly cracked black pepper.
Okay, this is gonna be good.
1 teaspoon. That's a teaspoon, like a teaspoon. Yeah, so that's this one. Black pepper. So
You'll need to bring that into the
yeah,
camera.
I will.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know. Who knows?
Huh.
Okay, this just comes off, right? Okay. Okay, ready? Okay, 1 teaspoon.
Which is it?
It's 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
Okay, so
We don't have a pepper mill, guys.
no,
so.
I don't. So we're gonna use this thing, coffee grinder.
Okay, hold the lid.
I will. There, I think that's it. Oh wow, that's a pretty good job.
I know.
So that was 1. So I'll just pour that into here.
Smells nice, eh?
Oh, is it ever strong, eh? 2 tablespoons, this one, of lemon zest. Oh, where is that?
The other one, sweetie, the real tiny one. Yeah,
Are there?
yeah.
Okay, we had a malfunction with that one, grater. So we got this big one here. Okay, so
He bought this as a joke for me.
I didn't really think they were that small, but I guess they are.
How you making out?
Oh, it's taken a long time. Okay. You know, that's no good. There, we need a whole one. There, see how much faster that is?
Well, he took the juice out of that one. Oh.
You want a whole one? 2.
Two tablespoons, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's going to be the whole lemon.
We'll be back. How you making out? Do I need a zest stick?
Yeah, you need a zest stick. Holy jeez. Just say scrape the bloody thing off a whole lemon.
Because different lemons, different sizes, so they give a precise measurement to make sure everybody knows how much. And you're looking for what? 2 what?
2. Well, that one can be more. Look at that. I still haven't got 1 yet.
I'm enjoying this too much. Oh.
Run out of the skin. Okay. So that's 2 tablespoons of that. I forgot my man tool.
Zest, right?
Yep, zest.
So I should order one of those zest sticks.
Zest stick, yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
good job. You
Or
need to
find
do
it where you can buy zest.
What?
Can you buy zest?
Why?
I don't know.
We make it. Why? I got a jar of it behind me.
Why didn't you tell me that? Half a tablespoon of salt. Whoa, hardcore salt. Now I throw the meat in gently.
Gently.
Whoa, la da da da.
You stirred it up with your tool, right?
Yep. Everything's got to be coated well. Now you can you can cover this up for, or you cover it up and put it in the fridge for 8 hours, or you can let it sit for 15 minutes till it gets to room temperature. This way. Oh, it looks lovely.
Okay, so which way are you doing?
I'm going to let it sit for 15 minutes because it's a video.
Okay. Oh, that smells nice, eh? I love lemon.
Mmm. Very zesty.
Can you smell the peppers?
Yeah, a little bit. It's not overpowering that way. Not yet.
Or the smoked paprika?
The smell, yeah. You can smell that. Look at that.
Hold it
Finely
up.
greased.
Let me get in. Oh,
Both
hold it in
sides.
front of you. There you go. That's where the camera
See
is.
both sides.
Cool.
I just want to give it a really good soaking in here. Then I'll let it sit for a minute, about 15 minutes, and I'll bring it right back.
Awesome.
Okay, right now, I've got parchment paper on a cooking sheet. I've got the oven preheated for 350. Now usually we do it in the dehydrator, take it out when it's done, and put it in the oven. But I'm going by the recipe that these guys have said in that dehydrating book. So
How long's it in the oven? 'Cause
it's only in
that's-
the oven until the pink is gone.
Okay, so just a few
Yeah.
minutes.
So really not too long.
No?
Just till the pink's gone out of it.
And then?
And then we take it out and we put it on the tray sheets for the dehydrator.
Okay.
And we put it in there for about 6 to 8 hours.
Cool. So you're just gonna line the pan up for the
Yep,
oven?
and you don't let them touch.
Okay.
They got to be laid flat, like this. Okay, so we got 2.5 trays. Now I'm going to stick them in the oven for about 10 minutes, or until we think they're not pink. Anyway. Okay, I've got both trays in there now at 350. So we'll leave them in for 10 minutes until the pink's gone in them. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so
8.
8 minutes, sorry.
Yeah.
So here we go.
And you're just gonna, what are we gonna cook those or dehydrate those at?
155
Okay.
for 6 to 8 hours.
I'll bet it's only 6. If
Probably will be 6, but I mean, that's what the book says.
We shall see.
Suki can smell the beef.
Oh yeah, they're going crazy. It smells good, doesn't it?
Does, really does.
I can even smell the pepper. I didn't think I would
Oh, I
be able
could.
to.
Well, I'm sitting right here, so I can smell it better.
Shit.
Oh man, can you ever smell it? Wow.
Thought
You wait
were
till it
gonna
goes in
eat
that dehydrator. That dehydrator. It'll really smell the whole house up nice. But really lemony, really lemony.
Doing it up in a pound amount, that's
Like,
if we were
this is-
making it for you and your friends, we'd be like, I don't think so.
Yeah,
Don't
well,
even
it'd
bring
have to
that
be a
out.
couple,
Yeah.
a few more pounds.
But just for you to have, that's pretty cool.
Oh, it smells good. Okay, so we're gonna put this in.
Bring you back.
Bring it back.
Okay, he wants it set to 155, hun?
Yeah. Fahrenheit
Yeah.
or 68 Celsius.
Yeah. And we'll put it in for 6 hours.
6 to 8 hours, yeah.
It's actual temperature right now is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. It'll take about 10 minutes to bring it up to 155.
Okay, so there's 3.5 hours left here, and we're gonna turn them. Feeling good. I feel good.
Are they done?
No, they're not done yet. They're getting there, though.
Are they bendable?
Let's see.
Not done, no?
No, not done yet.
Okay. God, they smell
Oh,
good,
they smell really
eh?
good.
I want them to be done.
I know you did.
There we go. I don't think it's gonna need.
Not too much. Longer, I don't
No,
think.
I don't think it needs 3.5 more hours.
No.
I'm gonna turn it off, turn it back on, change the setting for time
Uh-oh.
for
There we go.
1.5 hours to check. Okay. Yum.
Okay, so they are done, and it appears it only takes 4.5 hours.
In the Cabela.
In the Cabela.
Yeah.
But they are done.
Let's see if I can bring you in here. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Not nice.
And they're still chewy,
Yeah, not bad.
but they're not.
Let's see. Taste test. Oh, lemony. You can really taste the lemon.
I tried a piece.
Mm-hmm.
There was a hint of the pepper. The lemon didn't hit me until I chewed it a little bit.
Oh, it hit me right off the bat.
Yeah, see, not me. It didn't until I chewed it a little bit.
But I can taste
the
the
heat.
pepper.
Yeah.
A little bit. It's just like a pinch of heat.
But it's a nice different flavor for jerky, isn't it?
It is really good. I don't mind it.
That was a good pick.
Mm-hmm.
That was good.
Mm-hmm.
And it's different method, doing it in the oven at 350 just till the pink is out of the meat.
But she's dry. She's like, not dry. I mean, like.
Next time, would you do it in the oven the way they did at the first, or?
I'm gonna follow the recipes in the book.
Yeah.
I don't know what they're gonna want for the next one that I pick, but
Right.
definitely. I think this is good because it brought out the fat when you cooked it at the first 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Which was good.
And normally they finish it in the oven. So
Yeah.
now, because this is meat, even though it was dehydrated, well, it was cooked for 10 minutes at 8 minutes at 350. Patted the fat off it, put back into the dehydrator at, what was it, 155?
155, yeah.
Degrees Fahrenheit. And that was 4.5 hours.
4.5 hours.
And what an
which is not
interesting
bad.
flavor.
A very unique flavor, but
Yeah,
it's good. It's really good. I don't
So
mind it at all. But
that
the piece-
is from, not right now, that is from the Dehydrator Bible, and it was on page 74, the Smoky Lemon Pepper Jerky. There you go, Vanna.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. Not there, it's there. That way, you'll always know when our videos are up.
And
Have
we'll
a great day.
be back. He
Yep.
will be back with the Dehydrator next month
Next month.
for another jerky pick.
These will be gone by then.
That
They're good.
That's not going to last you a month.
Oh, heck no.
That was a better answer, Andy.
That's all there is. That's a